I'm Ram Kumar. I am the executive head of Quantium Analytics. We are part of Quantium Group. So Quantium is the #1 data and analytics and AI company from Australia, established in 2002. And India is like a center of excellence for our analytics work as well as product development and innovation. So I head up that group, which is a combination of technology, analytics, and other functions. So AI analytics is still at the very infancy stage in India. The reason I'm saying is that we have been talking to many organizations, and there are organizations who are still in doing how to solve a problem in terms of what is the insight I want to get about what is happening to the business. But that's where the opportunity is, because the maturity is not there, but that's where the opportunity is. I see there's a tremendous opportunity, and with all the new startups coming up, I think India is going through an expansion in that area.
So what can businesses do to leverage on this opportunity, as you mentioned?
Okay. One thing is that like any other technology or concept, AI and machine learning or deep learning is in this hype curve. So of course there are opportunities, but business should be mindful of some of the fundamental issues they need to address in terms of how do we manage the data, how do you make sure the data is available, the right data is available for the data scientists or the AI or the analytics team to generate value out of it and monetize it. Yeah. So that's where business should be mindful of, rather than rushing into AI and machine learning just because everyone else is doing it. I think that rather than focusing on just asking people to go and do analytics courses or machine learning courses and trying to come back and try to do something about it, I think organizations should focus on the entire life cycle of data, why data is a strategic and competitive asset, because that's going to generate value. So they need to make sure people are educated about the end-to-end aspects around data. And obviously machine learning and AI is one aspect, but as machine learning and AI evolves, what will happen is that it will become a commodity. So you don't need to have a deep skills in AI and machine learning to go and write some code or anything. It will become a commodity like any fourth generation language. But the components around data, things like data governance, data security, data privacy, ethical use of data, data quality, all those things will always remain. So that's why it is important that the organization should focus end-to-end rather than just one area. So the roadmap for 2020 is that we have 17 years of experience in analytics and machine learning and AI. We have across various verticals, and we have repeated processes. So our roadmap is to how to move from being like a consulting company to become a true data product company, so that organizations can kickstart into the journey of AI and machine learning quickly, rather than having go through the pain of trying to create value out of it. So our plan is to build analytical or AI products that will help organizations to extract value of the data far more quicker than through a traditional process. This is my first Cypher 2019 event. I didn't know much about Cypher, honestly, because I moved to India after 30 years overseas. But after coming here, I realized that how big it is. It's really the biggest data science or analytics conference. And the variety of participants across several domains and different fields of expertise, not just necessarily analytics, is really amazing. And I think you guys are doing a great job. Keep doing that great job. And I also see you spending a lot of time on rewarding good work through your awards. Keep doing that. And also it will be great if you can try to bring some well-known thought leaders, international thought leaders in this area. We have been veterans. And that will be great, because they will always bring their wisdom and experience they had accumulated over several years.